Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're doing another unboxing. Let's take a look, see what we got. This is a Motorola V710 if I remember right. This is on Alltel, which I think I just got one in a lot, so here it is. Has the extended battery, V710. This one's in a lot better shape. It does have some charge in it. Alltel branding right here at the bottom, as you can tell. Alltel. Seems to be in really good shape as well. I'm still on the mission to collect all the Alltel phones. I'm missing a good amount still, but I'm getting closer, I can tell you that. Here you go, it looks like it's been factory reset already, so that's cool. Everything seems to work on it just fine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.